Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. It is vlogmas day 13. I'm about to run to the store real quick and pick up a few things so that I can make my chili and cornbread. I am working on 2 videos at once right now, and honestly I'm tired. Okay, and after I make my chili I will be outside making some money. Bro, why did they log me out of my account? But yeah, let me get my wallet out. Literally about to run in here real quick, not gonna be in here for long. Let's see, I only need kidney beans, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes with green chilies, cheddar cheese, and maybe some green onion to make it look cute, but it's not really necessary, so I might not pick that up. But yeah, let's go in here. Let's go. All right, so here is stuff that I picked up from the store. Some kidney beans, diced tomatoes with the green chili, tomato sauce, green onion. Did not need this much, but whatever. Got some cheese. That is it. That is all. $5.09. All right, so if you want to see how this came out, make sure you check out the last video, vlogmas day 12. Check it out. So I'm about to go ahead and start cooking, and I'm using my crock pot. It's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm outside and I got my first order. I'm about to go in a couple minutes. Ooh, there's a Costco order. I'm about to go inside in a couple minutes. This one is $7.25. Dang, this is only 5 items. It's gone. Somebody snatched that up. Yeah, I'm about to go in a couple minutes and see if it's done. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out. It's 6 right now, 6:09. So I might stay out until maybe 8 something, because I still have to go home and finish the video and edit it and get it up. So it's about to be a late upload again tonight. This is what I didn't want to do, and now I'm doing it. I want it to be ahead, and now I'm posting day by day. I don't like that, but you know, it is what it is. As long as I'm posting every day, that's all that matters. We are on the move now. What? Why does this person have their hazard lights on? Oh my goodness. We got the food. Are they like about to be driving slow, or are they about to be sitting here? Because then that means I need to get over. Okay, they moving. They just had their hazard lights on. I was about to get so annoyed. Like, please don't do this. Please. Okay, so they just about to drive slow as shit. Oh my gosh. Move out the way. You might as well go to the parking lot, baby. Yes. Thank you. I hope everything's okay though, but move out the way. I'm trying to get some more orders in before it gets too late. Okay, so we didn't run into an accident. Just had to freaking turn around. I'm so glad that I noticed before I got too far up and it was stuck. So now I gotta go around another way. I know this person is probably looking at their phone like, what the hell is she doing with my food? But I'm on my way. I hope it don't mess up my time. Let me see. I gotta be there by 6:37. It's saying I'll arrive by 6:34, but it's probably about to change. Dang, bro, they messing up my stuff. It looked like the car up there was like, instead of being straight like how I am, they were turned sideways. So I don't know what the hell. You know what? They might have been coming down kind of fast, and when they were coming down, their tires might have hit the side, because I noticed sometimes when I'm coming down fast, my tires will hit the side and it'll like go like that. My car will go like that. So maybe that's what happened, but I don't know. All I know is I saw the car was like sideways instead of straight. I hope everybody's okay. Messing up my delivery right now. Just wasting gas. Like, come on, bruh. Hurry up. Anywho, still on my way to get this food delivered. Okay, I gotta remember not to come back that way though, because I will forget. So I gotta remember, don't go that way. Come back the way I'm going right now. I said, just wanted to let you know there was an accident on so-and-so street. So I'm going the other way. We'll be to you soon. And then they said, no problem. Exclamation mark. Thanks for the updates. So yeah, just wanted to, you know, be nice. Be a nice delivery person. Let them know. So they won't be looking at the map like, is she about to go home and eat my food? Like, what is she doing with my food? Where is she going with my damn food? That's what I would do if a person was taking too long. Looking at the map all confused. Like, what the hell is she doing with my food? Like, I'm hungry. We got our next order. This one is at Smoky Bones. $11. It is high mileage, 7.5 miles. But look, I'ma just do it because I don't know if it's like still gonna be real busy within like an hour. It's about to be 7 o'clock, so I'ma just take what I can get. I'm pretty sure it's about to slow down real soon. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out. Hopefully it's ready. I'm gonna still give it a couple more minutes because, like I said in the previous vlog when I was doing DoorDash, Smoky Bones is a little slow. But they literally got a burger, cinnamon apples, pretzel bones, and some ribs, mashed potatoes, gravy, and broccoli. So it may be done, probably not. So I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. Order number 2, hopefully we'll be able to do at least one more. So that one actually went up to $13.50. It's now $7.26. So I'm about to try to do one more. Yeah, let me see if it's still busy. So we made $21.25. Where am I at? I forgot how to get out of here. I think I turned right. I think. No. Yes. Yes. Ciao. It's so damn dark. Okay, I think it's still busy, so I'm gonna go back down that way and see if I can do one more, and then I'm gonna go back in the house because I have to. Okay. I am officially lost, so I'm about to put on my GPS. It's crazy because I've been up here so many times. Like, why am I lost right now? Just take me back to McDonald's, because McDonald's is down the street. I literally need to be at home right now because I still have to edit and I'm not done with the video. I still have to wait for it to like process and do all that stuff. So I really need to go home, but I'm gonna try to do one more. I believe that I can get this video up at least by like 10. Hopefully people still up. I really don't like uploading late, but you know, every video is not gonna be early. These houses are so beautiful. When you're uploading every day, the videos are not gonna be up, you know, at the right time every day. So I feel like it's acceptable, but I do not like uploading late. I really hate it. But today has been a great day. It's been a pretty great day. At the next stop sign, turn left. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I did plan on doing another order, but I just checked and it says it's not busy anymore, so I'm gonna just go home. We made a little $21.25. That's good enough. I did come outside later because I was at home cooking and filming a video, so definitely could have made more, but that's my fault. So we finna go home and I'm finna edit, finish cooking so I can eat something because I'm hungry. I'm finna see what this game is looking like because I did put in a bet. Oh, what is this over here? I'm about to look this up when I get home. Is this like a Christmas light show? I wanna go. My window's so freaking dirty. I wanna go. So right now I'm about to get some posts ready to upload on my Instagram. One of my plans for this week was to post every day, so I'm about to go ahead and get some ready since I'm not doing anything right now. So I still like to do the same little theme where I upload like 3 pictures that kind of go together. So this is what it's looking like right now. I have to upload 2 more that go with this, but this is how the page is looking. I have not been consistent at all. I really stopped being consistent up here because I got shadow banned, and I still have no idea how to get un-shadow banned. Like, I've been shadow banned for a very, very long time now. But whatever. Since there are some people still liking the post, that means some people are still seeing them, so it's still worth posting because you just never know. You just might get an order. So that's what I'm about to do right now. It's just work on getting my captions and stuff ready so that I can post every day. I'm about to go ahead and get some content for my business Instagram. Just filling some tubes with the holiday bundle. I currently have on one of the glosses. This is 'Tis the Season. I think in one of the last vlogs I said Winter Wonderland. That is the red one, but this one is 'Tis the Season. You can see it has a blue tint to it, but it's very glittery, very pretty. So that's what I'm about to do. Get some more content so that I can get some more posts ready for my Instagram. Today has been a very chill day. I honestly could have did more, but for some reason I was very tired, so I took a nap, and that took up a lot of my day. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and y'all are just about to be behind the scenes watching me.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you Ooh.